What's up, guys? It's Friday. It's time to review your altcoins again. So I will be going over the YouTube comments I got over the last week to see what you guys had to say, because my opinion counts, but your counts just as well, right? It's always great content. We always find some trash. We find some gems. We find some bitter people in the comments, some lovely people. It's always good stuff. So sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, some beer, I don't know, grab some coffee, and let's join the ride. Welcome to the Fomo Factory. 5,500 subscribers. You guys are really awesome. Let's dive into it. By the way, when it comes to altcoins, I want to show you something really quick before we dive into it, because altcoins are still really going down. And if you watch my content, you know that I'm a big fan of now being in cash, and when the time comes to step into Bitcoin, and then later buy altcoins with my Bitcoin. Because if you look at the altcoin, the Bitcoin dominance is going up, while Bitcoin is going a little down, right? So it means more money goes from altcoins into Bitcoin. But if Bitcoin goes down, then altcoins really go down. And it shows that over the last couple of days, altcoins, it's not like they are really going down hard, but they have these, you know, this slow bleed. Like everything is having this little red candle after red candle after red candle. And, you know, it's just not looking good. A lot of altcoins are making new lows as we speak. And just be careful, guys. It's going to really bleed a lot the coming months, in my opinion. So be a little careful with that. But let's dive right into the comments. I am a little sick, so sorry if I'm a little out of breath. How do you feel about Valhalla's Scar token? I don't know it, but I can look it up. Oh, here we go. Scar. Well, the first thing I see, of course, look, that's before I always look at like what kind of project it is. I want to look at the tokenomics, because if the project is good, but the tokenomics are not good, like Gala, for example, I might have it on my watch list, but I'm not interested in buying. Right, and they have like 1.6 billion tokens circulation, but 10 billion in total. So there's a lot of vesting to go. So that could definitely kill the price. There's no volume. People are not trading it. It's not on any CX or anything. Whoa. Okay. Yeah. You know, the price went down 400 times. That's like really bad. 99.7% down, like almost, like more even. Wow. It had a big market cap when it came out, but it was only getting sold off. And of course, they came out right when the bear market started, so that didn't help for them, of course. But they didn't show any sign of going up, like maybe in the last couple of... Look, and this is such a straight line, which is crazy, right? Then someone big bought, and it shows because there's no liquidity in this token, right? So in that case, but the market cap, 2 million... so the market cap went down 50 times, but the price went down 400 times. So the token vesting is killing the price. So you want to look in the white paper to see how that's going to be before you buy this, because if this goes on, there's a good chance that this will be another zero and this will be the one, right? You can lose a lot of money with this if you do not know about it. But yeah, you can stake it, I guess. I don't know what the APR is. It doesn't show for some reason, but I'm not really interested in looking into the project itself with the current tokenomics, because what if the project is very good? Then what? Are you going to buy? No, because the tokenomics are not good. So I don't know. No. I made a video, top 5 altcoins to buy in a crypto bear market, and someone says, next scammer. Why? Because I give my top 5 altcoins. Some people are like, okay, what do you think about doing a tutorial about signing and buying into cryptos on DEXs because tokens like GMX, Arbitrum, Uniswap cannot be bought on CXs. That's not true. If you look at Uniswap, like for example, you can buy that on everywhere. Kinda Binance, OKX, XT, LBank, UOB, KuCoin probably, Coinbase. You can buy it everywhere. GMX. I don't think that the GMX has that much exchange listings, although maybe, yeah, also Binance and everywhere. So what do you mean? They can be bought on CEXs, but I can make a very simple video for the people who are really new in crypto, like how to set up MetaMask, how to use a DEX, how to add different chains and all that, if people like that. So please comment if you want me to do that. I can do that if multiple people like that. 5 altcoins under 1 cent that will make you millionaire. So this was a really clickbaity video because there I said like, psych, it doesn't like, that's what all these YouTubers do. Like 5 coins under a cent. Like it's not about the price, it's about the market cap, because anything under a cent with $1 billion market cap, for example, won't go to $1. Like people look at Shiba or Dogecoin, well, Dogecoin maybe, but Shiba, for example, right? People be like, oh, it is just 0.0000. So if it ever gets to $1, no, it won't get to $1. It won't even get to a cent. Stop dreaming. But someone said, XEN is the one and only. Already 30x, and it's just starting. Friday is FOMO day. Friday is FOMO day. Friday is the... Okay, I don't think this is what you mean, but with a massive burn coming. Okay, XEN. I have ever heard of it somewhere. Maybe, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, that's that token that you can... you connect your wallet to their site and you get these tokens, right? But they have really an infinite supply, or is this... Well, we'll have to take... Yeah, check out, like, is this actually... I don't know. Okay. So the price in a couple of days did a 3x. That's not bad. It's not 30x, it's 3x though, but still. Look, yeah, if you want to buy this, usually after such a pump, follows a dump, of course, right? So I won't buy it right now. Maybe wait for it to retrace a little bit. Depending on what it is, right? I mean, it's low cap. It has a lot of volume, so that's good. XEN Network. Yeah, I'm also minting this stuff. I have to take a look because I'm doing that for a long time already. So that's quite interesting. But what is it exactly? If you look at the website, you want to press info, but you first have to connect your wallet. But like, can't you already just see what it is before connecting your wallet and all? Okay. That's always a shame. Like, why would you want to connect your wallet to something you don't know what it is? Like, first show us what it is, right? Weird. I think that's not good. But that's my opinion, though. Twitter, People's Crypto, get your free XEN. Okay. Okay, but it also. But what is it? Get it for free. Okay, but why would I want to get it? What is it? I don't know. Okay, yeah, this is something you want to do a lot of research to before you buy it, but it has a lot of hype. It has a big community. It has a low market cap. It has a lot of volume. So a lot of good signs. So interesting, yeah. VeChain and Parabucks. Yeah, okay, so this guy responding under the same video. So probably this is you're trying to say like, oh, these are under a cent that can make you millionaire. And of course there are cryptos under a cent that can make you millionaire, but not because they are under a cent. But VeChain, is VeChain still a thing though? I hold some VeChain back in the day. I haven't looked at it for a long time. How's the price doing? Let me go do some TA on that. FET USDT on Binance. And let me also check out. So for the people who want to know some little technical analysis on VeChain. Oh, this is an old one. Good drawing. Let me check. Wow. All right. What I see is this. You know that I know that I think that altcoins are going to crash. When it comes to VeChain, that's not bear market resistant, of course, right? So if altcoins crash, VeChain crash as well. I mean, it's still crashing. And it's very simple. Don't buy it right now. That's all I can say. Why? Simply because it is making lower lows and lower highs. So it's just going down. So buying right now, it's with a lot of altcoins, VeChain as well. It's catching a falling knife. It's stupid if you buy right now. You want to wait for a big support point, right? Is it a big support point where it's sitting right now? Well, does it look like it to me? The first big support point is where I draw this line, and that's, well, what is it, 40% down or so? 43% down. So I would not buy VeChain right now, definitely not. Next support point is sitting around here. Yeah, it might get there. Lower than that, I maybe not, because that's 70% down, give or take. VeChain compared to Bitcoin, first big support point is sitting around here, and that's another, well, 33% down. Yeah, I don't know. VeChain, it's a good project. We all know that. But not worth it to buy right now. No, I think you will be throwing your money away if you buy right now. And PBX, you said, right? PBX, Paribus. Okay, so this is a low cap. This is a high risk, high reward thing, of course. Let me check. Isn't it on at KuCoin and on Gate? Tokenomics could be better, but could be worse. Let me see. It came from. Let me do some TA on that as well. Maybe it's a low cap gem though. PBX USDT. KuCoin and PBX. Is there a Bitcoin chart as well? No. Okay. Yeah, it came from 4 cents. Right, so. This is one of the weaker altcoins as well, right? 98% down. So this is such an altcoin that you have to look at it like this. A lot of altcoins are down like 80, 90%. But if altcoins are really down 98%, like, I hope you haven't bought there. Because then you would have turned your $1,000 into, I cannot even do the math right now, but probably $30 or so, if you're lucky, right? So this is such an altcoin that gets crushed in the bear market, right? And you want to make sure that you feel like, okay, this altcoin is going to survive the bear market, right? And that's something it's hard to tell right now because it gets crushed so hard. It could go down another 90%, right? There are a lot of altcoins that go down 98% won't come back. The ones that do survive, though, they can make that 100x because, you know, they came from far. They can go that far again. Like if you go up again, you do a, well, 55, 60x, give or take, right? But that's the question, will it go there again, right? Because the market cap, let me take a look at that. Is this a market cap? Went from 60 million to 3 million, not even 3 million. So that's down 20x. And the price came down way more than that. So same story, token vesting killing the price. So make sure you know that the token vesting has calmed down a little bit. And if you feel like, okay, this is a good project, it's going to survive, then you might want to buy it. But also 70k, not a lot of volume, I don't know. High risk, high reward. Yeah, but could be very high reward, of course. So I made a video like if you're not good at trading, I trade on Fairdesk, and you can apply it as copy trader, so you can just click on follow, and then you're automatically following my trades, right? So you're making the same trades as I am. Someone said I was going to join, but you don't seem too active there. Yeah, it's correct. I'm not that active there right now. And that's just simply because I like to trade Bitcoin mostly. But if we look at what Bitcoin is doing lately, look, it's going so sideways. There's basically no range, right? So trading Bitcoin right now, it's like, it's no use for me. There are people that can trade this, but you know what you want to trade it for, I don't know. Like the range is like from 16.5 to 16.9 maybe, and it takes a couple of days, so you have to wait a couple of days for a trade with 10% gains if you are lucky. I don't know. I'm not feeling that, so I'm waiting for Bitcoin to decide what it's going to do, basically. Can you tell us about your Moonbeam low targets? I think I have done that already, but I can show you. No, I haven't done that. That's just because there's not a lot of history to go off, right? So what I'm doing with Moonbeam, look, Moonbeam making lower lows, lower highs, still going down. So this altcoin, we don't know how far it could go down. It's still going down, and buying right now. Again, you might be feeling like, okay, I'm buying the dip. But what you're actually doing is you're throwing your money away, right? So what I want to do with Moonbeam is waiting for it to seriously be in a accumulation phase, right? I mean, we have a high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We have a low, we have a lower low, we have a lower low. And now it looks like in the last couple of days, it made a higher low, right? You want to see how that plays out though. If it really goes in its accumulation phase, then I'm gonna buy. I don't have a set price for it or anything, because it's 30 cents right now. 30 cents could be the bottom, but it could also go to 3 cents. We don't know, because it's down only with this one, right? As well. So I own you this one still, but not now. Here again, why are you using Benjamin Cowen's analysis without mentioning his name? Well, I'm not using his analysis. I'm using his dashboard, which I paid for, right? So this is something you can pay $100 or $150 a month to use this dashboard. And I said in all my videos, basically, like, this is what I'm going to use to provide you with the best information I can. I explain things in another way than he does, maybe. Maybe some people don't know about his channel. I give him shout outs in every video. I talk about, you know, when I use this platform, I always say that it's his. But this is a short, right? So this is a video of 1 minute. So I have to get to the point. So I cannot be like, oh yeah, and shout out to him and he made this, like then the minute is already over. Can you check out Telos? Yeah, definitely. I made a video, still about to release it, about Telos on my other channel, Fomotion. But Telos is a layer 1 blockchain. It's fast. It aims to be even faster than Solana. It's cheap. It's green. It's really, really, really interesting. I think this chain, people underestimate how good this chain actually is. This chain is insane, right? You can now get it on a couple exchanges, KuCoin, Maxi and all that. But Telos is really interesting. I have this in my medium risk portfolio. I added it. At least it's on my watch list. I don't own the token yet, and that's simply also making lower lows, lower highs. I think this is one of the best blockchains. But why would I buy it right now, right? If the price still is going down. So, but definitely check out Telos, telos.net. I think you might feel this is very interesting. It's fast, 10,000 transactions per second, right? Solana is like insanely fast, and it has 8,000. No gas fees, right? Well, it's great. So, yeah, definitely. I love this. Market cap is for dummies. Yeah. I don't know. As well, this video. So these coins under a cent that can make you millionaire. And someone said, what are those coins? Well, watch the video. It's not about the coins. It's about the clickbaity titles that these YouTubers use. Someone says, who are you? My name is Menno, and I am 32 years old. I live in the Netherlands. I have a YouTube channel. What do you want to know? I don't know. It's not safe to be a crypto YouTuber right now. Everybody knows that you have a ledger at home full of money. No, man. I have a Trezor, so fuck these people. I think you're... What? Wait, these bots. I think you make videos after taking marijuana. I don't, what? What? Because I'm Dutch? That's racist. I don't know. What are your thoughts on Sushi swap token? Sushi. Good tokenomics. Good tokenomics. Multi-chain. So if you use Sushi, like you can use any DEX basically, right? Or any chain. Yeah, you have Binance, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Polygon. You can use them all, right? So really good, really good, really good. I just don't know about the usage of Sushi Swap. Like, are people really using it? I have to check that out. But I think it's far from its all-time high, by the way. It's really far from its all-time high. It was around $23. It's now not even $1, right? So I think Sushi could definitely have a very good run. Let's take a look. Is it already there? Sushi Bitcoin is already there. All right, so let's take a look at the chart. Now this is interesting. This is what you want to see. A lot of altcoins, they look like, let me get a good example. Oh. All right. So, for example, oh, fucking hell. I don't know. A lot of altcoins look like this, right? If you check the daily chart, even the weekly, but, you know, daily, you see, for example, Cardano, still making lower lows. Cardano is about to crash way harder, right? Still making lower lows. Are you going to buy Cardano right now? You're a moron. Sorry for saying that, but it's not smart, right? Because it's going down. Why would you buy something that's going down instead of going sideways, right? So that's not what you want to do. Sushi is doing pretty good because Sushi had its low in June, right? But it found its bottom there as well so far. So it's already sitting there for half a year, right? It's not going below there, really, right? So this is give or take the support for Sushi. But Sushi, the bears try to break that support, but it doesn't work, right? And the range is, you know, well, this is a range, but in the mid-range, we also have somewhere around here, give or take, right? So this is the range that Sushi has, right? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, right? And now it's all the way down here. So anywhere in the last 6 months, this would have been a great buying opportunity because you would have made 40%. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, give or take, maybe 6 times right now. So do that. And you like Sushi is a token you can trade. Sushi is like, when I look at this, I can kind of note to myself, long Sushi. So for the guy that asked like about my fat ask why I'm not trading right now, let me take a real quick look if Sushi is listed there, because I am going to long Sushi, I think. Of course, with my stop loss set and all that. But definitely going to long Sushi because this is just screaming like, long me, daddy. Let me take a... I have to sign up. Fuck it. Well, I'll take a look at it later. But Sushi looks like the token you want to trade. And maybe this time it breaks to the downside. Could happen, of course, but therefore you set your stop loss, right? So that doesn't matter. So Sushi, interesting. Yeah, definitely. And as an investment as well, by the way, as an investment, it's a really good investment because this might actually be the bottom for Sushi. Let's take a look at Sushi Bitcoin. Super strong, higher lows instead of lower lows. So Sushi looks like one of the few tokens that you might feel like, okay, if you are going to accumulate and DCA into something, that's the one. That's the one, in my opinion. Right. Crypto has become the gateway to scams and fraud. Unless it's actual Bitcoin, I wouldn't trust it specifically. If influencers are promoting it, they will rock the shit out of you because I'll be cautious and you... Do your research before you actually invest your hard cash. Yeah. I mean, crypto has its risks. Yeah, definitely. That's the truth, right? And Bitcoin is indeed the safest of them all. So if you want to be really conservative and safe and cautious and low risk, man, just buy Bitcoin. You can make your 20x as well, no problem. Yeah, and if you want to take more risk because you want to take more rewards, then you can go spread it into altcoins, of course, right? It depends on your risk tolerance. But I think that the scams and the fraud and all that, you know, this is all new for everybody. So the protection isn't really built yet, but it will come. Interesting content about Seedify would be really nice when you show how you enter IDOs and when you sell. I think could be interesting for everybody. Yeah, thanks. And on the 11th of January, they finally have an IGO again. So I'm really curious to see how that's going to go. I will try to record that when I participate. Cool. I suggest that you should check out Froyo. I have Froyo Games or something like that, right? It's a game. Yeah, Froyo. I had it back in the day, but I sold it months ago because I saw something in the tokenomics. Yeah. So let me take a look. 2 cents. Whoa. Yeah, I'm happy I sold it. Yeah. Also, same story. The project itself is really interesting, definitely. I like the project. I like what they do. I like they have a lot of partners as well, by the way. They have, they have a lot of partners backed by Animoca Brands, by Gemblock Capital, Kite Capital, a lot of projects and capitals that you might know, right? So, a project to be taken very seriously, and a project that I don't really see die in this bear market. What I just don't like is this, right? And it shows, like, if you bought anywhere, like, and that goes for every coin basically. If you bought this year, you would have got wrecked, but with Froyo, you would have got very wrecked, right? Like very wrecked, just in the last August, September, October, November, in the last 4 months. You went from, like, if you put $1,000 in, you would now have $200, right? You 20% ROI, 20, right? That, like, yeah, it's just really bad tokenomics. So I would really not buy this right now until I have studied how the token investing is going to get, and if it turns out that this is just keeps on going, then I just don't buy until this is finally pretty close to each other, right? Because if you look at the price, it went from 10 cents to a half of a cent, right? Half of a cent. From 10 cents to half of a cent. So it went down a lot, right? And if you look at the market cap, then $10 million market cap to $1 million. So the market cap just went down 10x, right? So also it shows tokenomics are killing the project, and it's such a shame that there are so many good projects out there, but the tokenomics just suck, right? So yeah, it's interesting. It's a good project, but buying it right now, stupid. TP, target point. What do you mean? I don't know. Someone says, "Oh yeah, I love the project Seedify, but not the tokenomics. 45% circulating supply. Could be worse. It's not that bad. It's not perfect, of course. No, I really agree on that. Like this is not could be better, but you have to know when it's getting vested, right? And when it comes to Seedify, they are." I don't know what project is so extremely transparent. This is Seedify with their locked tokens, right? And here you can see every token that is going to get unlocked, right? So for example, let me go here. You see, for example, 5 million tokens are going to get unlocked on March 24, for example. Well, that takes a long time still, right? And they have a lot of that. They, let me take a look. Here, Here, another 5 million 2026, another 5 million 2025, another 5 million 2025, right? So this is all when the bull run is already going. So these tokens won't be fully unlocked in this bear market, right? So that's an important thing, because token unlocks plus a bear market, yeah, that's killing. That's not what you want. But Seedify has a really long way of unlocking these tokens. Plus, it's mainly because of staking. So most is going to the community in the first place. So it's not that bad, right? It's not always that black and white as we see right here. I like Seedify too, just trying to buy its stuff here in New York. But you can buy it on PancakeSwap, right? So that should not matter, I think. I don't know. Let me know what the problem is. So I made a video, the best crypto strategy to make money with altcoins. And what I said is what I said before. Most altcoins are still making lower lows, right? Very simple. The total 3 has broken support. Next big support level is a long way down. So altcoins could go a long way down. And the Bitcoin dominance shows because it broke out, and the next big range is here and then here. So it means altcoins will bleed a lot against their Bitcoin pair. So I said my strategy is buying Bitcoin, and then when the Bitcoin dominance is sitting around here, I'm gonna buy these altcoins with my Bitcoin. And Willpower says alts will rebound harder when the market pivots, and that won't work. Okay, cool. Let me say this. When the Fed pivots, not the market, well, when the Fed pivots, that could take months, right? In these coming months, there's a lot of time for the dominance to go up and for altcoins to go down, right? And even when altcoins bounce because the market is finally, when we stop being in the bear market, right? For example, Phantom, right? Yes, of course, they might bounce in dollar price. But that could be because Bitcoin is bouncing way harder, because Bitcoin always goes up first, right? And then altcoins. So then you might better be in Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin, altcoin Bitcoin pairs still have a long way to go down. And this won't necessarily bounce. That's only if altcoins outperform Bitcoin, right? But as I showed with this Bitcoin dominance, right? If we zoom out, do you see how low this is, right? If the Bitcoin dominance goes down, then altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, right? But there's not a lot of room to go down anymore, right? Like this was an altcoin season, this was an altcoin season, this was an altcoin season, this is altcoin crashing, right? Sorry, the other way around. This is an altcoin season when this is going down, right? And this is altcoins crashing, altcoins crashing. This was an insane alt season, right? We won't see that alt season because we are already here, right? First, the dominance needs to go up. And that's what always happens before we go into the bull market. So this is most important for me. How did you start YouTube? I bought a camera, man. I don't know. No, I was always a musician and I was always on YouTube. So I decided to do the same with crypto. If you're searching for a great project to make money in the bear market to get a passive income, Grizzly Fives. No, you're a bot. Fuck you. Guys, please don't hear this kind of analysis. Crypto can drop more. Be careful. These fools know nothing. Okay, so cool. This is the video that I made. Some people are a little stupid. And sometimes you have to explain some things to some people, right? And that's not bad, but, you know, waste of time. But this is the video I made. I have no desktop audio, do I? That's so sad. Well, I said these are my top 5 crypto gaming altcoins to buy in the crypto bear market, right? And I gave my calls, right? That's it. I haven't said to you that you should buy them back then or should buy them now. I said buy them I buy them in the bear market, right? Bear market's still going on. In a month, it's probably still going on, right? So what's the problem, right? So I sometimes don't understand these kind of comments because crypto can drop more. That's the counter argument. Like, yeah, but I did not say that they cannot drop more, right? Also saying right here, I'm not even saying when to buy. I'm just giving my top 5 for whenever it's time to buy. And he said, after the first crypto dump, if you buy any good coin, you got... Okay. Great video. You should make a video when would you sell your Bitcoin in the bull run and turn to altcoins, and when the alts start to move after BTC. Yeah, man, I basically make content about every move I'm going to make. I'm trying to be as transparent as I can. If I'm going to make a lot of money, I'm going to do it on cam. If I'm going to wreck myself, I'm going to do it on cam. I'm going to kill myself now. But yeah, I'm definitely doing it. So when I think it's time to buy, bro, I'm not even making one video because people will miss out. I make 5 videos about it, right? Someone said I'm holding and averaging down. Yeah. So I said I'm selling my altcoins because of this, and someone else said like I'm basically buying, I'm averaging down. Yeah, it depends what altcoin. Like I said, some altcoins they go flat now, right? Like Sushi, that might be a good buy. For example, a Cardano, for example, still going down. Like averaging down now is stupid, right? You cannot buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. You're throwing your money away. You better wait with your money and buy the dip, right? That's the thing with crypto. That's what a lot of people got a lot of people wrecked, and I want to let you know this, guys. For example, if you buy Cardano, what if you say, I'm buying here, I'm averaging down. 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 You threw all this money away. You can also never buy anywhere right here, right? Then you still would have all your money, right? And then whenever it bounces, right, buy it when it goes flat, right? And even if it turns out that it's now out of its trend and you buy it here, you buy the breakout, you still have a way better entry than all these entries right there, right? So buying in a downtrend is just not a good thing to do. So don't do that, please. 5,000 subs. Thank you very much. Hope you guys had a very good Christmas. Oh yeah, I made this video, one simple crypto investing and trading trick to make money in the crypto space. And what I said right there is look at the stochastic RSI on the weekly, for example. Whenever it's low, buy, and whenever it's high, sell, right? That usually works very good. And someone said, you aren't investing, you are trading. Kind of true, of course. Yeah, you are not right. Like it depends. If you can trade it, right? So what I said, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, then you're trading, of course. But if you are investing, only buy it here, right? Buy here, buy here, buy here, right? But then again, when is it investing and when is it trading? Because if you buy and you wait 2 years to sell, that's an investment, right? Because it's longer term, but what's the time frame for when it's trading and investing, basically? I love bear markets. Yeah, if you are prepared for a bear market, it's the best thing that could happen, right? What is this? VDSC, bringing the first ever Vaulted Dragon Battle Royale. VDSC. Vaulted Dragons. Ah, it's an NFT. Okay. Yeah, I'm not much into NFTs, to be honest. Bottom is gonna be close. Yeah, I think so. Vault. That's Vault Genu, right? Or Voltage Finance, or Vault. I don't know, there are a lot of Vault, man. I can't figure this shit out. I've lost $200 in day trading in the last few days. Watched like every video you can think of. Yeah, it's practicing, man. Day trading is not like easy or something. Would you be telling us what kind of mic, lighting, and camera you use? Oh, cool. Someone noticed. Yeah, I use the Elgato. What kind of lights are those? I don't even know. Elgato lights. I have a Shure SM7B microphone with a PreSonus audio box, 22 VSL. I have a camera, which is a Sony A6400 with a Sigma lens, which I can reach like from here, so very close-up lens. Would you tell us? Oh, sorry. FOMO ho ho ho. TKB on Maxi. I think I know this one. Three Kingdoms battle, right? Or is it token bot? It's token bot. What? This is, what is this? There's no scam. Can we think what you think about AVAX? I think it's a good chain. It's a fast chain. It has not the best reputation. Like there are a lot of scam projects built on there, but then again, so is BNB, and that's great. Well, I don't know, man. AVAX is a great chain, but I don't feel like it's completely out there yet or something. You know what I mean? But that's, you know, fuck it, let them work. When it comes to the price for Avalanche, it's risky because it's almost sitting at its last support. If it breaks $10.50, I think we go to $6, between $4 and $6. So yeah, someone says lol. Okay, someone says shitcoin. Like, okay, top five. I never talk about shitcoins on this channel. So I'm really curious. But I said top 5 altcoins to buy in the crypto bear market, and someone said that these are shitcoins. Oh, someone lined up which one I have. So I talked about Seedify, Phantom, Matic, BNB, and Trader Joe. Bro, I don't think that you know what shitcoins are. Because these are not shitcoins. Shitcoins are coins with no utility. So I don't think that you know. Great content if you're searching for Grizzly Fight. God damn it, none. 5 altcoins, exactly none. One simple, yeah. So I said one simple crypto investing and trading. What I just showed, right? And someone said, if it was that damn easy, everybody would be a millionaire, and you wouldn't be here making YouTube videos. But not everybody applies it, right? And it takes time, right? You can start with $100,000 and you're a millionaire very quick, but not everybody applies it, right? Not everybody knows about it, and that's the thing. Therefore, I'm making videos about it. So yeah, someone said Illuvium. Well, it's not the best crypto gaming token to buy in the crypto bear market right now, because I talked about Illuvium almost in every video, because everybody's almost talking about Illuvium when I review these comments. But last time, Illuvium, very good project, one of the best looking games I've ever seen. They take the time, the building, they're great, they're listed everywhere, everything is on point. Tokenomics suck though, and the price $40. Price will be $10, bro. Price will go down a lot. Price will go down a lot. It will make new all-time lows in this bear market. Maybe not $10. Well, maybe it will. But mark my words, Illuvium will be making new all-time lows in Q1. Let me put it like that. So it's very good, but I'm not buying right now. I made a video as well, how to search for low cap, high risk, high reward altcoins. I don't know if you have seen that video, but what I basically did, I was going to DeFi Llama. I was looking at the chains and looking at these low cap chains, like for example, Moonriver, and like, oh, what projects are being built on Moonriver? Well, Solarbeam. Okay, does that have a native token? Let's go to the website. Let's check that out, right? That's kind of how I did that. And someone said, be aware, it's paid promotion. Who paid me? DeFi Llama? So I said, who paid me? The project that I randomly click on, you paid yourself to promote these like, I can't take these people serious. Okay. What? Okay, the video is already taking too long, so I'm not going to talk about all these coins now, of course, right? But I will check out a couple of them very quickly. You talk about Metahero. Let's check that out. Metahero. And I won't be doing full research, right? Because I cannot make these videos too long. Tokenomics, good. Trading volume. Is this 600,000? In that case, good. Market cap, mid-low cap. Low cap. So that's good. It is very far from its all-time high. Whoa. It had a big-ass market cap, bro. So something was really up with this project, but it seems like it completely died in this bear market. Well, not died, but you know, all the hype and all the like a billion market cap, you don't just reach that. Metahero, the gateway into the metaverse. Crypto meets 3D scanning technology together. I have checked this out before. I have checked it, reviewed this before on another Everdome. I have heard of that. Suck. Sorry, but suck. Price more than 95% down. Yeah. Yeah, like these big metaverse projects with a lot of promises, like, oh, we're gonna do this with the metaverse. I would not buy them until we go back into the bull market. Because these projects are really based on their hype and they need to deliver, right? And I don't know if they will. I want to see them survive this bear market. If they do, it's a gem. But if they don't, you know, we are wrecked. So and the supply is just fucked up right now. So that's just not good. Starlink, what kind of project you're in, man? Awesome. Good tokenomics. Came down also a lot. Where is it to be bought? Same kind of exchanges. Okay. Oh, this looks horrible. Okay. Area, spaceship, and Unreal Engine. Oh, Jesus, go away. Exactly the same as Everdome. My comment about it. Only difference is that these tokenomics are really interesting. So I'm going to add it to my watch list though, because it's pretty interesting. Game. Okay. Tokenomics, terrible. Terrible. 5 times token investing to come. Terrible. Sorry. Price from 60 cents, 100 times as low. Market cap 20 times as low. So it shows, again, as well, right? Token investing killing the price. I don't care what project it is. Don't buy it. Don't buy it until this is better, because you will get wrecked. Yeah, okay. No, well, let's, yeah, a couple more, but I will review that in another video. You say that Metahero will hit $1. What was the price? Oh, bro. Oh, bro. Okay. Look. If it's still the question, right? If the project survives, right? And I don't know shit about the project, so I can't tell. But do some good research. If it survives, like it already had a $1.2 billion market cap, right? It already had that. So that's kind of insane. But still, the price was 25 cents. So $1 would be best case scenario if everything lines up together. So if this project survives, if this project really delivers, if it gets some really good listings, if they have the timing exactly right, if they have a lot of good partners, and if we are at top of the bull run where crypto gaming is going to be huge. If all these things line up together, it could hit $1. Because it showed in the last bull run that it could get close. But for now, 25, like the price is now 0.003, right? You have to calculate it like this. So if you want to get to $1, it has to do with 333x. Okay? 333x. The current market cap is $26 million. So if we do that times 26, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it has to have a market cap of 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, not possible, $1. Not possible. Because with the current tokenomics, it has to have a market cap of $8 billion. Well, it's not that it's not possible. It's crypto, so let me take that back. Everything is possible. But for example, it's now, it has to have the market cap that Cardano has, for example, right? 8 billion. Thanks for not working. If we look at Metaverse, it has to be 10 times as big as Axie Infinity is right now. 12 times as big as the Sandbox. It has to be a really good project with some really good market circumstances to hit that. So, $1 would be very optimistic. It's not impossible, but I wouldn't bet my money on it. But it doesn't mean that it can perform very good. So that being said, I think the video took too long for now. I'm not doing this every video, of course, but the review videos, they do. I couldn't go over everything. Oh yeah, I just want to laugh at this guy, by the way. Cryptocurrencies will go to zero in 2022. Or 2023. But I think it's a bot because he says all weird shit. Bitcoin will go to collapse soon. Okay. I will go over some other comments in another video, but that's it for now. I'd like to thank you. Maybe I'll drop tomorrow's video with the rest of the comments. I will do that. For now, thank you for watching. Have a very nice day.